My name's Eileen, and I'm a nurse, and I'm a co-owner of Magnolia Skin Center in Burbank, California. We have multiple devices that we really enjoy. We have the Scarlet Microneedling RF, we have the NouvaDerm, we have the Aquafirme, the collagen pen, Selena's Derma. Well, my personal favorite treatment is doing the Scarlet Microneedling with the NouvaDerm stack. I find that our patients get sort of a double treatment. They're getting the tightening, the lifting, the collagen rejuvenation going on, and then they're getting the surfacing with the Scarlet. And I'm finding that they really enjoy it. They're getting a much better benefit from the two together. But I do love both machines equally. They're really fantastic. I love them. I've seen changes in people's skin tone where they've gone from looking very gray, ashen, a lot of laxity, to having pink regenerated skin. The tone is different. The lines have diminished. It's amazing. Most of our clients are in the 40 to 70 range. So I understand 20 to 30 is the beautifying range, where we are in the regenerative group. And we're meeting with people that haven't taken care of their skin. They've been out in the sun. They've done a lot of things in their lives, been a mom, been whatever in their career, and now they're looking to look how on the outside how they feel on the inside. And we've been able to accomplish that with these multiple modalities that we have in our office. So it's really been very successful with how we've been treating people. And we're using less and less toxin and fillers with the Selena's Derma and the NouvaDerm and the Scarlet and even the Aquafirme, plus we use that for hair restoration, which we've had success with that as well. So we have quite a few that we enjoy using. I was hooked and really, really enjoyed it. To me, it was more than just let's put a little Botox or fill in your face. It was the whole rejuvenation thing that AMP offers with their machines is really what sold me on the whole aesthetic business. And, their support is beyond. It's just amazing. I love everything about it.